Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is yet another skincare video. I am barefaced today. I have absolutely no makeup on because I really wanted to show you guys the result of this skincare product. So before we begin with the video, if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Raina and I do beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. So if you guys want a little sneak peek into my life and if you are a makeup enthusiast just like me, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And now let's get right into the video. So just a little backstory, my last to last video on YouTube was a video where I was explaining everything about vitamin C in your skincare. So I did mention a lot of vitamin C serums, a lot of vitamin C skincare products to you guys. And yes, I have been trying products that has vitamin C as a main ingredient since over a month now, and I absolutely enjoyed every single product. But today the product that I'm gonna show you guys is my absolute favorite. It's something that gave me instant results. It's something that definitely worked for my skin really well. So I just couldn't wait to share this product with you guys. So this is the vitamin C set that I wanted to talk to you guys about. It is amazing. It's by the brand Goodal, which recently launched in India, and it is available on Macron. If you guys don't know what Macron is, it's a website where you can find a lot of Korean skincare products. It is amazing. I actually discovered so many Korean skincare brands on that website. If you guys are skincare enthusiasts, you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below of everything that I'm gonna be talking about today. So Macron actually sent these products over. It's by the brand Goodal. It's an amazing Korean skincare brand, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the kit. So this is the green tangerine vitamin C range, and when you open the box, this is everything that you get. It also comes with a sheet mask which I've already used, so I'm gonna leave a clip of me using the sheet mask. So you get the green tangerine vitamin C dark spot serum. This is the full size of the serum, and you also get a green tangerine vitamin C cream. This is a little tiny sample size product, and you also get a sample size of the same serum. And lastly, it comes with the vitamin C serum sheet mask. So this is everything that you get in this one set, and I think it is such a value for money because these are high quality, beautiful products that genuinely work for your skin. I've been using these products for over 2 weeks, I guess. I'm not really sure, but it has definitely been 2 weeks. And I have given these products a fair amount of time to show results on my skin, to work for my skin. And let me tell you guys, I am in love with these products. They are genuinely working for my skin. So firstly, talking about this green tangerine vitamin C serum. This is how the bottle looks like. It comes in this really beautiful frosted glass bottle. The packaging is amazing. It feels very luxurious and heavy. I'm going to show you guys the texture of this serum. This is how it looks like. As you guys can see, it is so light in texture, and it is so hydrating for the skin. I have been using this serum in my daytime skincare routine, and I have been loving it. I use this before my moisturizer, and it just hydrates my skin so well, absorbs into my skin really well. And what I like about these products is that it gives me a glass finish on my skin, which is something that I absolutely love. It is not oily or greasy at all. It sinks into the skin really well, which is what you want with your skincare products. And also it really hydrates my dry skin, which is something I absolutely love. You guys know that my skin type is extremely dry, and this is something that has genuinely been hydrating my skin really well. As I said, it also comes with this tiny sample size serum. It's the same vitamin C serum, but just in a little tiny travel size. And also we have a sample size of the green tangerine vitamin C cream. This is how it looks like. Honestly, out of all of these products, this vitamin C cream is my favorite product. I never even imagined that I'm gonna love a cream so much. It is so beautiful, so rich in texture, and it really hydrates the skin. This is honestly something really different from all the other creams that I've used. It smells amazing. Since these are all vitamin C products, they smell like oranges, which is amazing. I love fruity fragrances. and this is extremely moisturizing. It does like lock in the moisture for a really long time, for a lot of hours, and I just like use these products before filming the video, and you guys can see my skin is glowing and it is so bright. I definitely look forward to purchase the full size of this product sometime because I am honestly loving this cream. It is genuinely my favorite. Show you guys the texture of this cream as well. I just have a very tiny amount left in this tube. So this is how it looks like. It feels very moisturizing on my skin. Moving on to the results that these products gave me, they definitely like evened out my skin tone. At least that's what I feel after using these products for 2 weeks. So I have seen that like gradually my texture has been reducing. Obviously it cannot go away completely because it's skin. थोड़ा बहुत texture तो होगा ही, but it has reduced to some extent. It has also brightened my skin so much. Like even like literally after using the products, I feel that my skin looks so much more brighter and it just looks very glowy and it glistens a lot. Now you guys know that I have this habit of reading the ingredients of all the products, and everything over here is written in Korean, so I obviously cannot read it. So I googled the ingredients of this product, and obviously I don't understand everything, but from what I understand, it has 70% of tangerine extract, which is great, which means that it has a lot of vitamin C in it, and it also has niacinamide in it. If you guys want to know more about niacinamide, then you can head over to this video right here and you can know everything about vitamin C and niacinamide in detail. Also, I forgot to tell you guys the prices of these products. So the entire set comes for 1,850, which I feel is such a value for money. Like you get so many products in this one kit, and this serum is so definitely gonna last you for months and months. Also, I want to tell you guys the price of this cream ka full size. So yes, if you just want to try this cream out and you want to buy the 10 ml tube, this is just a travel size, it's 5 ml tube. So if you get the 10 ml tube, it retails for 380 rupees. And if you get a 50 ml tube, it retails for 1,690 rupees. So if you just want to try it out once, then go ahead and buy the 10 ml tube. I am so sure that this is something that everyone will love. So if you guys are someone who loves to invest money in high quality skincare products, then this is something that you are not gonna regret buying because it is high quality, it feels luxurious, and it is something that definitely gives results in a few uses, which is my favorite thing. Like, who doesn't love a skincare product that gives you instant results? So this is it for today's video. I know it was a very short video, but I think it was very informative as well. Let me know if you guys have ever tried vitamin C skincare products and what works for you in the comment section below. I would love to know that. And also don't forget that the set is linked in the description box below, and I've also linked Macron's website. So don't forget to check all of these things out. And also, if you guys found the video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!